Hello everyone, my name is Goldberg. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is unboxing and reviewing the beautiful Louis Vuitton Alma BB in Damier Ebene canvas. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, I am new to YouTube and I post different kind of like unboxing and reviewing, mainly regarding like designer shoes and handbags, but it's kind of like mix of everything. So if you're interested, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will post more unboxing and reviewings. So before we start, actually I'm not sure if you can see, my eye is a little bit swollen here because my cat scratched my eye just down here and it really hurts. So I hope that it's not too visible. I couldn't really, I'm still in pain, but anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. So this is the box. I mean, I've already unboxed it, I've already opened it and used this bag. So I received it sort of like 10 days ago. I will be showing you like proper like unboxing as well that I've already done. So I love Louis Vuitton boxes. So it's just like, I don't know what is with Louis Vuitton, and it's just really I don't know, I really love the box. I think like everyone should have a Louis Vuitton bag. Like every single woman deserves to have a Louis Vuitton bag and keep it in this box. Like even if you're not a fan of Louis Vuitton, which I don't think you know anyone is not a fan, I think it's nice to have this kind of box in your home, in your wardrobe. I love this orange and it's just so like nice. Anyway, I love the box. So I've already opened it because it came with a really lovely blue ribbon and everything. As you can see, it was like so beautiful. I really enjoyed opening this box. But so I've already used it, and you know, it opens. It's such a nice like sturdy box as well. I just love this box so much. So it was this like blue ribbon was around it. As you know, it's like, you know, it's with all the Louis Vuitton bags, they all come. So the actual bag, it comes in a really lovely dust bag. Before I actually talk about the bag, because it's so beautiful and I can't wait to actually talk about this beautiful bag. It's basically, this bag is one of the most popular Louis Vuitton designs. So I've been waiting for this bag for 3 months because this bag is always out of stock on Louis Vuitton website, and the pre-loved market is actually same price as the brand new one. So who's gonna buy a pre-loved when, you know, it's you can just wait. Sometimes you just have to wait and they may come on the website again, they may be available. I personally, I mean, it's my opinion. Again, I'm sorry if I'm offensive. I don't like to buy anything from pre-loved markets because it's just my opinion. You know, it's just my own opinion that I personally don't like. And the reason is that there's 2 reasons. The first reason is that I personally don't like to own something that somebody else owned it before, because I believe that objects, they hold energy. They keep the energy. So you don't know, specifically when it comes to shoe, I would never buy pre-owned shoe, because you don't know who's worn it before, where they went with it, what kind of drama was involved in there. You know, it might have been something good, but you never know. And I feel like every single object, especially something that you actually wear it feels, it keeps your energy. So for me is no, I don't want to own anything that somebody else owned it before, because I don't know that person, unless it's like you know, it's like something that the family member, they gave it to me, I know who this person is and it's a gift to me, that's fine. I love to keep that, obviously. But if it's something from a random stranger, I don't even know what that bag or shoe has been like, they've gone through, it's not for me. And sometimes, as I said, that it's actually more expensive, or it's really like you know, I don't want to purchase something that when I can just wait or pay a little bit extra to get the brand new one all for myself. Why would I pay for pre-loved market? Because actually, when it comes to this bag, because as I said that the Louis Vuitton Alma BB is a very popular bag. So the pre-loved market, they always, the value is kind of the same. So you're never gonna find something like a lot cheaper. You're not gonna find this bag a lot cheaper than what is the brand new one on the pre-loved market. So why do you want to buy that? Anyway, forget about pre-loved market. I bought mine from the actual Louis Vuitton website and I love it. I love how it came, and I just, you know, I really love it. It came with just like some, I will show you the rest of the stuff as well, with just like the certificate and sort of everything else. And you know, you feel good, like you feel like, I don't know, it's like feeling of luxury, feeling of something that, you know, this bag is beautiful, is just, it feels so beautiful. I can't explain, you know. I think Louis Vuitton is just, I can see why they're popular. I can see why Louis Vuitton is Louis Vuitton. So just take a moment and admire this beautiful piece of bag. So this is the Alma BB in Damier Ebene canvas. So you can get the Alma BB in monogram canvas as well. I don't personally like the monogram canvas because I think it's, again, it's my opinion, I think it's tacky and a lot of like replica and fake Louis Vuittons are in the monogram canvas, which is the logo one. But when it comes to the Damier Ebene, it's more, I mean, still is obvious as Louis Vuitton, but it's a little bit not as obvious and bold that with the big logo. And also the Damier Ebene canvas is a treated leather, so you don't have to really like look after it that much comparing to the monogram canvas. So it's already treated, it's kind of like waterproof, and you know, you can wear it when it's like raining, and it's very it's a very I don't know, like very good bag. I mean, it's very easy to look after. It's very sturdy, and the leather feels really high, extremely high quality. It's very, as I said, very like sturdy bag. And you know, what I love about this bag is these feet underneath. So these feet will make the bag, let me put it on here, the feet make the bag kind of sit there like this. You know, it's just gonna sit like that, and just, oh my god, this bag is just so beautiful. I just love this bag so much. I think like this is perfection. Another thing I wanted to actually mention about Alma BB is that definitely Alma BB is, if you are new to Louis Vuitton and you want to buy your first Louis Vuitton bag, you know, I always think that, you know, I think the classic bags are always classic. You know, obviously Louis Vuitton has a lot of new trendy designs that they come every year, but the classic ones like the Alma BB, the Speedy, the Never Full, these are the classic ones that they will always be there. There is like a timeless piece. You know, obviously they may not be as trendy. I don't know, like having a Speedy bag is not, maybe it's not as trendy anymore comparing to like 10 years ago, 20 years ago, but it's always a timeless classic. So I think that if you're new to Louis Vuitton and you want to purchase, purchase your first Louis Vuitton bag, you want to invest your money into Louis Vuitton, it's very important to know where to invest your money, because this bag is gonna last you for a long time. And you know, it's your first piece from Louis Vuitton, first piece of luxury bag from Louis Vuitton. You need to love it. You need to you need to really be 100% satisfied with it. And I think like a design like Alma BB is classic, still is quite affordable comparing to other bags. So this bag is £1,030. It's probably around $1,400. So it's not an expensive bag for Louis Vuitton, because if you look at the new designs of Louis Vuitton, they're all over £2,000. So I mean, for me, I actually prefer to always keep it on, because you know, you never know, sometimes you like to have it as a crossbody, sometimes you like to just hold it like this. In both ways it's extremely beautiful. So it's, oh my god, I can't, I just love, like, look at these like details of the gold hardware. It has the LV sign all over it, the LV sign on the zippers and everything. It's just, oh my god, I just love this bag so much. This is, I am so in love with it. You know, I don't want to even use it. This is gonna be a classic piece of item for me, sitting in my wardrobe, actually in the box for a very long time, and I'm gonna use it only in specific places. So let's go inside the bag, and I'm gonna show you what I can fit in this bag. Okay, so we're gonna see what actually fits in this bag. So it looks like quite a small bag, but to be honest, it fits all the essentials. So I'm gonna show you, and you know, it feels really lightweight as well. It's really easy, nice and easy to carry, and oh my god, I love the travel tag as well. As you can see, it's so beautiful. I would love to do it hot stamp with my initials. So Louis Vuitton actually offers the hot stamp with your initials. I forgot to do it when I actually ordered the bag because I was so excited. I've been waiting 3 months for this bag. As soon as it was available online, I straight away ordered it. I completely forgot about hot stamping my initials, but that's a really nice thing to do, you know, just have your initials there. This bag is yours forever. So let's open the bag. So it has these lovely gold zippers. Oh my god, this red fabric inside, it's so lovely, so luxurious. Oh my god, I can't stop talking about this bag, how much I love it. So now we open the bag, so let's see what I can fit in there. So the main important thing I always carry is my sunglasses. So my sunglasses, they have a case, or you know, I can just like remove it from the case, but obviously it's better to keep it in the case. It's not gonna take much space. So I always take my sunglasses with me. With the sunglasses at the bottom. Normally, I mean, this is the sort of the size of a perfume that I normally carry with myself, but it's optional. I don't think, you know, sometimes I may not even need a perfume like this. I can just have a really small sample, but just to show you what I can fit in there, like sort of a small perfume can be fitted like there. This is a very bulky thing, so this is just all the random stuff. So all the everything like random, because I don't want to mess this bag. So I want every random item that I may use or may not just in this tiny little, it's just the Kate Baker like floral I don't know, ugly little bag. So for example, a lip gloss and I don't know, some like painkiller something for my eyebrows, and I don't know, like just literally everything, basically all the like random bits and pieces that you want them not to be in the bag. Or basically what is easy is that if I don't want this bag, I just like put it somewhere else. I can just leave it in my car or something. It's just all the essential and non-essential random ugly stuff that you don't want them to be in this bag. You can always carry it in a separate like pouch like this, so that can fit in there. It will fit there. My AirPods, this is a must. I definitely always go out with my AirPods, so AirPod is not going to take much space. AirPod there. I already have my bank card and everything else in there, by the way. The last item is my car keys. So my car keys, and it's quite bulky as well. You can see that my car key and house key and everything that you have goes in there as well. Still, you know, it has a little bit more space, but I personally do not want to sort of put more random items in there. As long as a bag, I mean, in my previous unboxings as well, I mentioned that as long as a bag carries my phone. I don't know where my phone is, but anyway, my phone as well, it will fit in there. So as long as a bag carries my phone, my car key, and you know, maybe a lipstick or a hairband or like little whatever, like it's fine. It's a perfect bag for me. I don't really care. I don't think anyone else, I don't think you have anything extra to carry, do you? Like what else are you gonna carry? It's a perfect size bag. It looks still, it looks like beautiful, like honestly, oh my god, it's just perfection. This bag is the definition of perfection. So it carries all my essentials, comparing to, put it this way, comparing to the other Louis Vuitton trendy ones for like this year's designs. I actually prefer this bag still. I think Damier Ebene is a very good canvas because, you know, it's not like too obvious like the monogram canvas. As I said, it's treated, it's very easy to look office bag, as a evening bag. So this bag can be worn anywhere. Then you can also add your add the strap as well to it. So the strap, it goes, one strap goes in here, it goes in the opposite side, so it has the special bit. So, and the other one goes into this bit. And yeah, just like that, nice and beautiful, as you can see. So I just carry it back like that, and it's just beautiful. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm new to YouTube and I would love to grow my channel, and I post a lot of unboxing videos. I do have another reviewing and comparison between the Gucci Dionysus and the YSL wallet and chain. So if you're interested, please watch that one as well. Thank you, bye.